Hi guys, welcome back to this other fashion update for another video. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut this lovely top you're seeing on the screen. This is an half cut with band, then with a, you can call it an handkerchief shape, but I'm not going to cut it the way we normally cut handkerchief. I'm going to cut it in such a way that it's going to be different. So this is the fabric I'm going to use to cut it out. I'm making use of 3 yards of this fabric, so I might not use the whole 3 yard finish. The first thing I'm going to cut out here is going to be the half cut. The whole half cut is 17 inches, so I'm going to cut from the shoulder to under the bust, which I will be making of 15 inches. Then I will now cut 3 inches band, making 18. That means 1 inch is going for the seam allowance. So this is after folding it into 4 with a zip allowance at the back. I'm just making use of 1 inch of zip allowance. This is not constant. Then I will now take the shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement of 8.5 inches, that's 17 inches. The shoulder slant of 1 inch, here is it. Then from that, I'm going to take the armhole measurement of 8 inches. 8 inches for the armhole. That is 8, you can see. Then the half cut is 15 inches, you can see. So the next thing we're going to take here is going to be the bust measurement, but let me rule it out for you to see the line first. So this is the line of the bust. I want to rule it out. You can see like this. Then we have the shoulder slant like this. You can see. Then the next thing we're going to do is to take the bust measurement of 42 inches. That is 10.5, and here is 10.5 in 4 places is going to give us 42 inches. With the same allowance of 2 inches is here. The allowance is not constant, it depends on the allowance you use to add to your measurement. Then I'm going to make use of my armhole cut to bring the shape of the armhole out. So after that, I can cut it out from the shoulder to the armhole, so you can see, to the armhole. Then I'll now stop here to take the length, the wideness of the waist. The wideness of the waist here is 36 inches. That is 9 in 4 places. It's going to give us 36 inches. So this is my 9 inches with same allowance of 2 inches as well. 2 inches, you can see. Then I've connected together. Then I can now continue the cutting. So we are done with the cutting of the half cut. So what to me here is going to be the neckline. The neckline here, I'm making use of 3.7 inches for the wideness of the neckline. Then the difference here is going to be 2 inches. Then I'm going to connect them together by cutting it. That means I'm cutting for the back first. This is the back. Then I'll now take it down to 9 inches. The deepness of the neckline is going to be 9 inches. You can see this is 9 inches. Then from here, let me rule it out to have a straight line to the center of the half cut. To the center of the half cut, you can see. Then I will now set my ruler to the neckline to give me a V shape to this point. You can see. So this is the neckline. Then I will now cut it out. You can see. So this is the back neck and this is the front neck. So let me divide the back from the zip allowance into 2. It depends on how you fold the zip allowance. It can be in fold, can be on fold. So the way I folded my, that makes me to divide it into 2 again. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to cut out the flay or the handkerchief flay under the half cut to make it a top. So this is the remaining fabric. I'll fold it into 2 first, then into 4. So this is after folding it out. I want to take the radius now. Since our waist measurement is 36 inches, then let me start by making use of 5 inches. I'll take that round. And what we're going to get here is should be 9.5 rather. I know it's going to carry a zip allowance. Assuming it's 9, that's 36, then 9.5, that may have additional of 2 inches because it's 0.5 in 4 places is 2. Then the 2 inches is going for the seam allowance, for the zip allowance. Don't forget. Let me now check. Can I get my 9.5 from here? No, this is not up to, you can see this is 8. Then I'm going to go down to 6 inches. 6 inches. So that's why I have to try it. 6 inches. So I'll take that round. So with this 6 inches, I could be able to get my 9.5 or 9 3/4. So getting 9.5 or getting 9 3/4 is still okay. By the time you open, it's going to be wide. So let me now check. This is 9.6. You can see this is okay for what we want. So from here, I'll now take the length of the top. I'm going to cut this like a 360-degree flip. Then after that, we'll now make it an handkerchief flip too. So you're not cutting it directly like an handkerchief. We're going to cut it with 360-degree flip first. You can now put that effect to make it an handkerchief flip. So let me take the length I'm using. I'm taking it round now. So this is after cutting it out. You can see the shape of the 360-degree flip. So we have our back and front here. You can see this is the back, and also this is the front, then this is going to be the side. We're going to notch the side just to know the side where this is going to fall to, and this one of this can be back, can be front. So to put the high low now, I'm going to take some inches up. The inches is not constant, it depends on how deep you want your own to be. So I'll making use of 6 inches now. 6 inches, you can see this is 6 inches. 6 inches is here. Then I'm going to notch it like this. Then I can also cuff it this way, just a little bit cuffing. So after you do this now, we can now take the wideness of how this is. Then here too, we are going to take 6 inches. This is going to fall to the to the side. You can see. Then I'm going to take the wideness of this is 11 inches. So that means here too is going to be 11 inches. You can see 11 inches is there. Then we connect everything together like this. Connect everything together. So now that we're done with the connection, you can see the wideness of this area. From this side to the other side is too wide, so it won't give us the sharp edge that we need. So we now decide to take the wideness and take the midpoint. So let me take the wideness of what we are having here. From here to here now, we are having 13 inches. From here to here, yes, we're having 13 inches. So that means 6.5 inches is going to be the midpoint. Half of 13 inches is 6.5. So it's going to be the midpoint. So this is my midpoint. Then from that midpoint, we are going to take some inches to this area. So I took 2 inches, but I think 2 inches will be too wide. So let me clean it. Then make use of 1.5 inches from the midpoint. 1.5 inches to the right, 1.5 inches to the left. So you can see this is 1.5 inches. So at this other side, so I'll take 1.5 inches. So I will now connect them up to the 6 inches, then connect it also to the 6 inches. I'll just try to connect it to the initial line that we have. So you might not see it properly, but by the time I cut it out, you're going to see it clearly. Maybe it's because of the white and chalk that I'm making use of, and I think it's going to show properly on this colorful material. That's why I'm making use of that. So with these inches that we have here, no, this is 1.5 making 3 inches. So I think by the time we fold it, we're going to have that sharp edge that we have on the style. So I can now cut it out now. So I will now divide the zip allowance. So you can see the shape we are having. You can see. So this is what we're going to have after when we cut it out. So this is how it's going to form. You can see it now. So we now bias all the edges to make it neat. Or you hem it like this. You can see the way I'm doing it. Then after you're done with this, the next thing we're going to do here is going to be the band. Then I'm going to cut out this particular area to line with what we have. You can see those areas, just trim it out. This is the band I'm making use of. You can see this is 3 inches wideness. Then I'm going to put a gum stay to make it stand before attaching it to the half cut. And the half cut also is going to have a gum stay, is going to have a facing. You can see the wideness I'm talking about. This is 2 inches. Now 3 inches plus 15 inches for the half cut, that is 18 inches, and normal half cut is, the measurement for this half cut is 17 inches. So we have 1 inch of seam allowance. So this is the short straight sleeve for the top. This is the half cut. This is the half cut. Then this is the flay, the handkerchief flay that we cut out. So let me go and join everything together and show you the finish. Welcome back. The finished work so far. This is the V-neck line that we cut out. This is short sleeve. This is the handkerchief flay. You can see how it is. You can see how beautiful this turns out. This is the back with zip. You can see the zip at the back. You can see the band as well. This is how it's going to be at the back too. You can see how beautiful this is. If you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those people that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.